Hi everyone and welcome back, and it's that time, it's time to do the draw for the 1000 subscriber giveaway. So first of all, thank you to everyone who entered and thank you for everyone who supports the channel. So a very quick recap. So what have we got for prizes? Let's have a look at the second prize first, and it's hiding over here. And the second prize was, get it the right way around, this stunning book, all fabric bound. It's interleaved, that you can take the leaves out and replace them. I love this one. So there's your second prize. And what was the first prize? Well, the first prize was the black journal. This is the one that's all hand stitched down the side. And that's not just it, that's our first prize. Even though it's a study book, because it's first prize, we went big. So we have a box, can I get it in, of Necroplex Terrain. So let's stick this out the way, get to the YouTube picker and get picking. Right, we're on the YouTube random comment picker webpage. We have 34 entrants and we filtered out the duplicate comments. So for the second prize, which is the blue dragon book, we will click the start button and find out who our lucky winner is. And we're off. And the winner is Downtime Dad. Congratulations. So now we got to draw for our first prize, which was the Necroplex Terrain, some grating and the black book with the hand stitch binding. So we're whack on to pick another winner and whack the button. We're off again. And the lucky winner at this time is welded 28mm. Congratulations! Right, there you have it. We have our two winners, so congratulations to you both. Both of the winners are actually other YouTube channels. So what I will do is stick a link at the end of this video to both of their channels, so please go and check them out. Great channels, both of them. And roll on 2,000 subscribers and we can do it all again. So thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to the channel. And thank you again for your support. See you all soon. Cheers.